eighth experiment ma. So in eighth experiment, same what we have done in seventh experiment, same thing we have to do in the eighth experiment also. So here we have to change the here what we have done in seventh experiment, formatting the chart will be there. But in eighth experiment, we have to type it here, filter and the formatting dashboards. Okay ma. So after this, you will click it here. What you have to click here? You have to click the text box and you have to select the overall employees. Here you have to select the employee, then overall employee you have to get it. Then same thing here, you have to go to format your visual general. Same thing, title you have to select. If you want to change the color, title text, if you want to give you a background color also, we can change it here. Okay, so everything will be got changed here. See, color has been changed. So this is the seventh experiment. Same this all the boxes what we have kept, no same thing we have to kept in here eighth experiment also. Only thing here what we have to do the changes I will tell. See in seventh experiment, in before we have done, no, so some modification in seventh experiment we have to do it ma. So what is that I will tell. So what you have to do means here we have to select one chart, that means button slicer. Okay, so for that what I have to do means I am keeping the cursor in empty place and I am going for the button slicer. This is the button slicer. Okay, I'm selecting this button slicer. So after selecting this button slicer, you select and drag it here. See, I'm selecting this and I am dragging this box. After this what I have to select means, after selecting this I have to select the department. Okay, see in seventh experiment you have to select the see education you have to select. So this is the difference. In seventh experiment here you have to select the education. So if you are selecting the education, see what and all degree regarding the education field it will display here. See, associate degree, bachelor's degree, doctoral degree, high school, master's degree, it will be displayed. So this is one extra you have to add in your seventh experiment. Okay, so this is the changes in the seventh experiment. So next one what I'm going to do means, see, if you want to change the color, if you want to change this now, you just select here. Same thing, you just select general, then you have to go to the text color. If you wanna, you can change it. See, I'm just selecting here. See, education is changed. Same thing, if you want to select here education title also, you can select it here, education field. So what I am typing here, it will display here, education field. So these are the words that I have been added here. Okay, so education field. Same thing, I can change the color also. See, for background color, if you want to change now, you can change it. See, overall it is changed. See, background color I am changing light. So same thing, alignment I can change it here. So this is one extra you have been added. Okay. So effects, if you want means you can change the effect also. That means total background you can change. See, everything color has been changed to background color. Okay, so this is in the seventh experiment. This is a seventh experiment. Okay, wow. So this only one box you just added. This is nothing but you have to add. This is the button slicer. Okay, now in eighth experiment what we have to change means, instead of selecting the education field, what we have to select means, see, wait, I'm just removing this. Just remove this one. Here also eighth experiment we are adding button slicer only. See, button slicer. Instead of adding education field, what I have to add means, here I have to add data of the department. Okay, so just select the department here. Okay, so here it will come HR. So next what I have to do means, you have to select this arrow mark. Here it is there, no, you select this arrow mark, select here, select all, then you will get all the department here. Okay, See, wait, I will show it. See, after selecting all, we will get HR, R&D and sales. Okay, you just make the, so this is one changes. Okay, this is the eighth experiment. So in seventh experiment, what we are adding ma? Education field. Same thing in button slicer, you have to add education. Here same thing, eighth experiment also adding button slicer, you are changing for department. Okay, Dama. So next what you have to do means there is three filters, Dama. Okay, va. So what are the three filters? That first one is, okay, Rama. So this is the changes in the eighth experiment. Okay. So after this, what I have to do means, see, I told there is three filters. Okay. So first is basic filter, second is advanced filter. So again, third one we have to take it as top n. Okay. So for basic filter, what I am going to do means, see, in basic filter, see here, select all means here everything is selected. No, HR, R&D, sales. Now in basic filter, if I am selecting only HR means there will be changes only in HR. So how many of them working in HR department? So overall employee, the details has been varies only for HR. Okay. See, if I am need only for R&D means, see, there is overall employee in HR department how many? 63. So according to the female and male, it is showing. Okay, so this is for only HR department. Now I need only for sales department means select the sales and then see how it is changed ma. Selecting sales alone means there is overall employee 446 and here also it is showing the department, so whole department like that color is differentiated. Same thing according to the gender it is different. Okay, so this is only for the department of sales. Same thing, this is the basic filter. Okay, so basic filter means what is that, what we have done in the chart? No, so instead of selecting all, I am just selecting only one department and I am checking the ratio of all the employees details. Okay, so I need R&D department how much male and female are working, and overall employee how much I want to check it means I'm just selecting R&D and then I'm selecting here. So the total number of employees is showing that 379. So this is department is R&D, attrition count is showing. So according to the attrition by gender, so female is 43%, male is 98%. So everything it is displaying according to the filters. Okay, so this is what my basic filtering. See here itself we can understand this is the basic filtering. Okay, so next is advanced filter. What we have to do in advanced filter? Same thing, we have been created one table. Okay, so here this table we have created extra. Okay, so this table nothing but you have to go for the table. Okay, see this is the table, just click one table here. Okay, after clicking the table you have to select the employee number. If you are selecting the employee number, it will display. Okay, then I need to select the salary and monthly income. So where is the salary and monthly income? See, I'm selecting employee number and I am selecting the monthly income, that means salary. See, first I have added this table. No, this table we have been adding only in eighth experiment. Okay, so for adding this table, just to go to this table and then you just select the employee number. So employee number where it will be now, you just check it in the data set. See here it is the employee number. Select the, first I have to select this table and then come here and select the employee number. After selecting employee number, go to the salary. So salary it will be down. So just scroll down it and check it the monthly income. Select the monthly income. Okay, just drag it this one. Drag it and keep it here. Okay. So this one we are adding extra in the eighth experiment. Okay. So after selecting this one, what I have to do means, this is advanced filter, isn't it? So after selecting this one, you just go here, select here, Here basic filtering is showing now. You just select advanced filtering and then you just select here salary is coming. No, you just select the salary of greater than 10,000. You just make it 10,000 and here you just make it. See, apply filter means what who and all having 10,000 above salary, it is displaying. So this is the advanced filter. Next filter is top n. So top n is nothing but same thing here itself. We can select it. Here arrow mark is there. No, you select this arrow mark. You just come here, filter type, select here top n. After selecting top n, here same thing you can give it here. Just drag here monthly income. This monthly income, just drag it and keep it in the add fields of data here. See, I'm just dragging and keeping in the by value. So after selecting, you have to click here. You have to select top 10. After this, just apply this filter. So who and all having this highest salary, it will be showing the top 10. See here how many numbers are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So according to the staff employee number, so 19,973 is the topmost first salary. So less salary is what ma last number is 10th salary is staff 787 getting this 9,000 19,859. So according to the top end salary, it is showing. Top 10 salary it is showing. Okay, va? So this is the difference in the eighth experiment. So eighth experiment similar to seventh only. You have to change the text here and adding some here one what you are adding here. Here you are adding the button slicer. Then you are changing to the department. In seventh experiment you are changing for education. In eighth, you are changing department and adding one extra table here. That is the difference. Okay. So up to this is your eighth experiment. Thank you.